If you're watching this, then you're a patron. I just want to thank you so much for taking the extra time to check it out and to support my channel and what I do. I'm just trying to make better quality videos, make more videos. And this video, I want to show you like the secret way to get into the outlet mall on International Drive. That's better parking than out front usually, and the door you go in, like the service entrance or the mall entrance, it's not for service people only, it's for public. I don't want to make you guys think the wrong thing there. It comes right out in front of Disney Character Warehouse. So I'm going to show you guys. We're right now driving on International Drive. Right here in the shopping mall on the left, by the way, if you're ever waiting, you can go over there. There's this place called like Sweet Sheba Sweets. Oh my God, they're the most amazing matcha crepe cakes. So normally you go straight through the light right here. We take a left. There's a Starbucks right here too, FYI, in case you need coffee. Lots of fast food restaurants, stuff like that. Fun Stop is just right here on your left. We're gonna take a right here into the side or back entrance to the mall. This is actually the back entrance of the mall. There's the front entrance, which we just passed on the right. You know, we went straight, and then this is the back. So we're gonna go straight back to the back of the parking lot. A lot of stop signs, lots of cars going everywhere, so be careful. Last year I actually did witness a wreck right here going into the outlet. Right there on your right, there was a big bus. On your left, there was a lady sitting. The bus turned, the bus crushed her car. It was crazy. This place is way less crazy than usual right now. So when you get to the very back and you're facing the highway, take a right. That is I-4, by the way. Keep going straight. So what you're going to see as we drive down this way is there's a lot of mall entrances on this back side. One or two isn't marked. And I don't mean like store entrances. There's some big store entrances like the one we just passed, but I mean like regular kind of unmarked or discreetly marked mall entrances on your right. So we're just gonna keep driving. When it's busy, sometimes I park way down here and I walk. No matter if I'm walking from one end of the mall, I mean, I've literally parked away at the very end and walked, but it's still better because at least sometimes you can find parking where out front you can't. So we're gonna take a left right here. And on the right is the mall entrance, which you're going to see better. This is a prime parking place. If you can get a spot here, awesome. Because then you just got it set right there. You got it made. It's a good land marker. Kate Spade, see right there? Kate Spade. That's where we're going. Now, it's not a Kate Spade entrance. It's actual mall entrance. But you can use those as markers when you're parking back here. But like I said, you can keep parking anywhere down there that you want to park and walk. But there are multiple entrances, so pay attention to them. You don't have to walk to this one specifically. There's the parking area right by I-4. Not too many parking places. It used to be way worse trying to get parking. I would usually take me about 25 minutes of driving around the entire parking lot to get parking. But anyway, here's the hallway that you guys often see me filming in. Hello. Here is the door, and watch what happens when you open that door right up. I'm talking to you, front door service. Boom, Disney Character Warehouse, right there, ready to go, ready for you to, well, I was gonna say shopping, but get in the queue in. So we're done outlet shopping. This time I'm going to go around the other side of the mall. So basically I'm heading the direction that I was originally heading when, before I parked. You can see here on the right, lots of doors. Some of them are mall entrances. And yes, I have parked all the way down here in the past, not since, you know, the pandemic, but before the pandemic. This is the complete opposite end of the mall right here that we're driving by. H&M there, back entrance. These are all back entrances, and no, they're not shop back entrances. The only way to get into the mall from this back side is by the mall entrance corridors, which a lot of people don't know about. And that's why I'm making this video for patrons only, because it's just, you know, not for every single person, because we don't want it to get too crazy busy. You know what I'm saying? It's a secret. And the outlet used to be secret. The outlet's not a secret anymore. Here on the left, the area I just passed, that's the side, the back side, and I've parked there. Now here we're around the front. So anything on the right is all front of mall parking, which everybody thinks is where you have to park. But normally, before pandemic, you would never see an empty parking place. It was better just to pay in that parking go or whatever it's called, pay parking. Here we go, coming to another stop sign. Once again, there, right there, on the right-hand side is the main mall entrance driveway. We're almost here at the light, the one that we were across from originally. Oops, someone going the wrong way. Happens a lot here in Florida. And there's a light that we were originally across from when the video started. The one that we took a left at. So instead of going straight to go back International Drive, I'm gonna take a right. We've just done a circle because there's a Starbucks on the left, and right here on the right is the back mall entrance that we originally went in. I'm gonna pass that. This is a new exit they had built on I-4, but it's not open yet, unfortunately, to get on and off the highway. But it is a nice ramp that takes you, basically, if you turn right, it goes right to Universal Studios. We're going to go left, and that'll, down this road here is Fun Spot. It'll put us back on International Drive. Basically, it's just really less congested than going down Universal when there's a lot of traffic. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As a patron, there's a lot more special secret videos coming. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Stay safe. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.